what role does NAD not play? That's what I'm looking forward to finding out, is where NAD is not actually participating in something that's going on with our cells. And so when we recognize that our cells need energy, NAD is a part of that process, and NAD and NADH in terms of converting our food into energy that our cells can use. So if you're eating that burger, your cell is not taking in a burger, it's taking in those different molecules, and NAD is essential for that. We're looking at DNA repair. I think that's a big one. We're looking at the development of proteins. We're looking at the hallmarks of aging and how it's involved with telomeres and different function. Pretty much everything that's going on in our cells that requires energy, which is everything, requires NAD. Our cells are amazing machines. They're constantly fixing themselves, but they need NAD in order to do that. And when they're overworked, they need to pull on those precursors to make more NAD. And niacin was the very first vitamin B3 that was discovered. Then we have some of the heroes that are the newer kids on the block. We have NMN, and then we have nicotinamide riboside. And so nicotinamide riboside is endogenous, meaning that it's part of our body. It's found there naturally. And it is one of the most, if not the most, efficient and effective NAD precursors. Nicotinamide riboside is the compound. And we add a chloride ion onto that to make sure that your body can actually absorb that. That is Niagen. Niagen is nicotinamide riboside chloride. Tru Niagen is our brand. That is what we are selling. Our champion ingredient, Niagen, as our product is Tru Niagen.